Hey, this is John at Restoration X Cycle, and I just want to let you guys know about a situation that I'm going through at this time. Um, my Facebook page only has been compromised by foreign individuals. I'm going to be posting screenshots of those individuals that have taken control over my page. Now, in the last couple months, I've been dealing with Facebook on this issue, and each time they keep closing my case, finding no evidence that my page had been compromised. Once again, I was on chat with them yesterday saying that another foreign individual had been added to my account, and I completely lost any kind of access to my account. Before, I had limited access. I could post and do certain things, but I lost my business admin rights to the page that I own. So I just feel like it's a responsible thing to do, to put out this video to let you all know about that. I have done everything I possibly can with Facebook. They are absolutely zero help on trying to resolve the issue. If anybody else out there that has contacts with Facebook, please let me know, or contact them on my behalf. But I am at a loss what I can do. I'm tired to recover my page. Again, I have no access to it. I can make a comment just like you guys, and that is it. I still have control over Instagram page. Between the two pages, about 120,000 followers. And so I just feel like it's the right thing to do, let you guys know what's going on. In regards to the giveaway 1985 YZ250, I'm going to have to postpone that until we get this all ironed out. I will give away this bike. We have about 2,000 entries into the new website, but I need your understanding until we get it all sorted out. I wanted to do a running video of the bike so everybody had a chance to look at the bike or see the bike running and all. So I ask for your understanding. And if anybody out there that has contacts with Facebook that could help me, I sure would appreciate it. Thank you for your time, and please be patient with me. You guys have been great followers, and I want to get this ironed out so I can continue to build bikes and not deal with computer issues. So thanks, guys. I appreciate you, and hang in with me.